There's a particular area called Heartfm, near where our station is based, in one of the areas which we broadcast to, where the local council are building a new hospital, which is wonderful. But within the grounds, not where the actual hospital is going to be, but within the sort of areas around it, there are 27 houses which have been there for 9 years, which are all legal. They all pay their taxes, their IBI, they all have electricity, and they have been issued with notices to say that they have 14 days to vacate the property before they're bulldozed.
Oh. And have they been offered compensation?
No, nothing at all.
Well, I mean, this is, straightforward. This is totally illegal. You cannot expropriate people who have a legal right, and, they have the documents to support their legal right there. You just tell them they have to vacate because their houses are going to be pulled down. Without discussing or offering any compensation. So, I think if you go to court with this, there is little room for discussion, and the judgment would have to be in favor of the people who are prejudiced. But it's a bit of, the general environment of abuse that's going on, and people, I think, are encouraged to continue to abuse because nothing is really happening and people are not being defended. But, in this case, I would encourage these people to start legal procedures immediately.
Right. That seems to be the way.
The problem, there are different aspects of the problem, or different kinds of problems. Not all are the same. Some people don't have a certificate. Some other people do have the certificate, and they're still facing the risk of having their houses demolished. Some people have the houses but do not have the infrastructure, so they cannot actually leave. And, I would take this opportunity to tell the people to write to me, because I am right now trying to build a database where I can identify the 2 or 3 different types of problem and can deal with them accordingly. And, bring this to the Spanish authorities for them to know exactly what the problems are and what they need to do to resolve this issue. But I need the people to write to me. I am putting somebody in my office. I'm going to put somebody in charge of this whole affair.
Fantastic. So, can people get in touch with you via your website? Is that the best way of doing it?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the best. My website is www.martaandreassen.com. So it's easy to get me there.
Okay. Well, I will, if you will allow me to send these bits of information that we've had from people here to you via that website. And once we broadcast this, I'm sure other people will contact you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
That's what I'm looking for, because, I need to get this. I would need to have this database complete so as to be able to, cover all the people who are affected.
Okay. The other thing we'd like to do, if possible, is to put a link from our website to your website, so that if people go onto our website, they can send you an email direct. Would that be okay?
Yes, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
It would be quite useful, I think.
Okay.
I also have a plan, but I have a busy agenda because this is not the only thing I have to deal with. But I was planning to have an event where I could bring together some of the people affected, so to speak, and we could discuss openly. And this would have to happen in Valencia or Alicante, I don't know. Sort of in the middle of the whole region, that's the whole area that is affected by this problem. I even have people from, inland from Spain, so it doesn't limit to the coast. But I would try to find a place where I could bring together some people and have a more open discussion. And also there are some, associations fighting against this problem, but the associations do not get all the people prejudiced by this situation. So I think getting more people together would, help them be heard, I would say.
Okay. Marta, I know we're running out of time here because I know you have a very busy schedule. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for talking to us. And on behalf of all the people that are here worried and suffering, thank you so much for taking up their fight.
Well, thank you to all for their support, and I hope we have some success.
Fingers crossed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Marta.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.